Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the optimal angle for a cannonball to travel the farthest. I'll be using the simulation tool to show you how this works. Now, let's set up the simulation tool. I've set the initial velocity of the cannonball to 12 meters per second, and the gravity to 9.8 meters per second squared. We'll start by launching the cannonball at a 0-degree angle. At 0-degree angle it covered the distance of 9.29 meters. Now let's increase the angle to 15-degree. At 15-degree it covered the distance of 13.18 meters. 1. Let's launch the cannonball at a 30-degree angle and see how far it goes. Okay, it looks like the cannonball landed about 16.18 meters away. Now, let's try launching the cannonball at a 45-degree angle. This is often considered the optimal angle for maximum distance. It looks like the cannonball landed about 16.61 meters away, which is farther than the 30-degree launch. Let's see what happens when we launch the cannonball at a 60-degree angle. And it looks like the cannonball landed about 13.71 meters away, which is not as far as the 45-degree launch. Now let's increase the angle to 75-degree. At 75-degree it covered the distance of 7.78 meters. So, there you have it. Based on this simulation, we can see that the optimal angle for a cannonball to travel the farthest is around 45 degrees. This is because at this angle, the cannonball achieves the maximum horizontal distance while still maintaining a high vertical velocity. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Be sure to like and subscribe for more educational content.